Alright guys, so we're getting to decomposition. So decomposition is something you've already done multiple times in this class. Do you guys remember this video made by Sam? Well, in this video, he asked all these different questions as he was learning. And as he asked these questions, he was breaking down the information. He gave the example that studying without asking questions is like eating the apple over here and swallowing it whole without actually chewing and digesting it and asking those questions to decompose, to break down that information. And in this video, he goes on to explain that he doesn't know what metabolism is, and he doesn't know why he doesn't know metabolism. So he starts breaking down, decomposing the problem that was too big to tackle into other smaller problems, such as what is metabolism over here, or what is an anabolic, what is a catabolic process, and what do they have to do with metabolism. He was breaking that down by asking questions, and these were all the different questions that were asked during the article that he was talking about. So this exact process of Sam breaking down this information was a computational thinking strategy, the first one called decomposition. And you guys did this method, for example, in plan number 1 with the forgetting curve, where the first video told you to ask questions off to the right. So we have over here, shout out to Camilla over here. When she was reading, she was decomposing that information with all of these questions over here. And these questions are exactly the type of thinking that is essential in order to break down the information to focus in on parts that are understandable to you versus looking at the bigger picture, which is too overwhelming and unable to be solved. You also did this another time when you had the questioning scavenger hunt, where you guys asked questions and continued to question into those questions. And you guys had the opportunity to ask questions in the reading over here given to you with Warren Berger with a beautiful question. So you've already practiced the strategy. I just want to make you aware that the first method of computational thinking in the Introduction to Computer Science is something you've seen before, and it is the most essential part to break information down into chunks that are understandable for you. So if you don't remember these, go back in, quickly review them, and then continue with the lesson.